In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the ProBreeze Mini Dehumidifier, and we're starting right now.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be a part of the conversation.
So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the ProBreeze 2200 foot dehumidifier. According to the package, it collects moisture and damp air. It says it's ideal for bathrooms, bedrooms, kitchens, garages, caravans, which would be RVs, wardrobes, offices. Removes up to 18 ounces of water per day. Large 52 ounce capacity water tank. Auto off and on LED indicator when full. Ultra quiet technology. High efficiency. Portable and lightweight. And now for the question of the day. What RV dehumidifier do you use in your RV? Let us know in the comment section below. Because some of the coolest ideas and discoveries come from you, the RV viewer. So definitely connect with others in the comment section below. So let's unbox this. Parts here. Inside we have the power cord. Pull that back. Have the dehumidifier wrapped up in plastic. Pull that out of the way. And this unit is a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. Pull it out of the plastic here so you can see what's going on. On the back here is the instruction manual. So pull this back here like so. ProBreeze, that's the front. Whoops. Side view. There's the back view with the on and off button and the AC power adapter. Flip it back around to the front. Take out the storage tank. We'll take an even closer look at the storage tank. So here, this is where the water fills in at. And this is the plug to remove the water. Once it's in there, just pull this out. 52 ounce container, just like so. Alright, so take the power cord, push it right into the container, just like so. I turn on the machine, and you can hear the fan start up. But the power is powered on. Here's the LED indicator light. It shows it's on. And then this one I'm assuming is going to be red when it's full. So we will give this a test for a couple days and do a comprehensive review of the ProBreeze in action. So there you go. Lori and I would like to thank you for following along with us today, and if you know someone that would benefit from watching this video, go ahead and share this video with them. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride, and we will see you on our next video.